What if a single paint repair could make you $600 to $800 in just a couple of hours? Now, most people think making six figures in the auto body industry requires a big shop, insurance work, and huge overhead. But there's a completely different side of this industry that most people don't even know exists. I built $1 million a year mobile auto body business around small cosmetic paint repairs using a simple, repeatable system. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact system behind it, step by step, so you can just copy me. Now, to understand the opportunity, you have to understand one thing. There are millions of vehicles on the road, and many of them are sustaining minor cosmetic damage every single day. Think about in your own life. How many times have you come out to your vehicle and found that someone had scraped the paint off your rear bumper backing out of a parking spot? Or you get hit in a parking lot, minor cosmetic damage to the front fender. Or you back into a trailer hitch, or you catch a rock off a dump truck and now you got a big paint chip on your hood. This happens constantly every day. But here's the problem. Most traditional body shops are designed for big insurance jobs. Small repairs actually slow their shops down. So many shops either turn these jobs away completely, quote ridiculously high prices, or make customers wait weeks just to get in. And it's not just the shop that's inconvenient, it's the whole process. The customer has to drive to the shop for an estimate, drive back home, arrange a ride or a rental to drop it off, wait days or weeks for the repair, then arrange another ride to pick it up, and then drive back home. It's a hassle most people would just rather avoid. But the customer still wants the damage fixed, and that creates a massive gap in the market. And that gap is exactly where mobile auto body repair fits perfectly. So here's what experience looks like on my side. The customer finds you online, they request a quote, they get it back the same day, they schedule their own repair, and you show up at their house and do the work while they're inside watching Netflix. Heck, they don't even have to be home. And on top of that, you're 40 to 60% less than the body shop because you're focused on one small area, not a full repaint. Hey guys, I just wanted to interrupt this video for a really quick second. If you're a hands-on car enthusiast and you want to build a real business with the kind of freedom that most people only talk about, this opportunity might make a lot of sense for you. Just click the link down in the description to work with me directly inside my mobile auto body accelerator. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, this model only works when you focus on the right type of repair. The jobs that power this business are small cosmetic repairs, things like bumper corner damage, scratch repairs, small paint blends, limited to just one panel or one area on the car. Now, these repairs share a few important characteristics. They're localized, they're fast, they use minimal materials, and they carry a high perceived value for the customer. Now, you're not doing heavy collision repair here. You're not straightening frames. You're just fixing small damage quickly and professionally. And because the repairs are small and fast, the economics become very, very powerful. A typical small cosmetic repair like this usually comes in somewhere between $600 and $800. And most of these jobs take roughly 2 or 3 hours to repair. So let's just look at the math. One job per day, $3,000 to $4,000 a week, $10,000 to $15,000 a month. Even if you only do 3 to 4 jobs a week, you can still hit $100,000 a year. And with jobs that only take 2 to 3 hours, you get to spend less time working in the business and more time working on the business, or just spending more time with your family. If you've seen my other videos, you know my wife Megan films our content. And it's not unusual for us to finish a job and then go have lunch together. You're not doing that at your 9 to 5. Your boss will never pay you $200 an hour, but your customers will. Small jobs, high value, fast turnaround. But none of this works unless the business is built the right way. And after years of running this myself, I have distilled everything down into what I call the mobile method. The mobile method is a 6-part framework that's behind this entire business. Now, M stands for mobile setup. It's just a lean, affordable, equipment-based system that lets you repair cars anywhere. O stands for operating environment, how to work safely, cleanly, and legally outdoors. Now, B is for bodywork skills, the exact repairs that earn the most money. I is for income systems, pricing and quoting that consistently produce strong profits. Now, L is for lead generation, simple ways to get customers without relying solely on dealerships. And E is for expansion, how to grow beyond yourself only when you're ready. Get these 6 things right, and the business becomes surprisingly simple. So let's go ahead and walk through each one. Now, the mobile rig is the foundation of everything. The core components are pretty straightforward: a compressor, a spray gun, a paint system, and some basic repair tools. The key idea here is simplicity. You're not building a full body shop on wheels. I mean, I talked to a guy recently who had like a 12-foot trailer packed with frame pulling equipment, and he admitted to me that he never once used any of it because he didn't have a system to follow. He wasted thousands of dollars on stuff he just didn't need. Don't be that guy. You're building a lean mobile repair setup designed for small cosmetic jobs. That means low startup cost, full mobility, and almost zero overhead. That's the foundation. Now, working outdoors requires systems. Things like knowing how to control overspray, protecting nearby vehicles, maintaining professional work conditions, and understanding your local regulations. This is something we cover in depth inside of my mobile auto body accelerator. The safety basics, EPA guidelines, local air quality rules, where you can work. And when done correctly, you can deliver clean, professional results almost anywhere. Now, this business does not require mastering full-on collision repair. Instead, it focuses on specific, high-demand cosmetic repairs, things like bumper repair, scratch repair, paint blending, and some small dent correction. Here's how to think about it. Imagine the difference between gutting an entire room, tearing down the drywall, going all the way back to the studs, versus just patching a hole, priming, and painting it. Both guys are skilled, but one is doing a full renovation, and the other guy's just doing a targeted high-value repair. We're the patch guys, and customers, they love the patch guy because he shows up fast, does clean work, and doesn't charge full-on shop prices. These repairs are perfectly suited for mobile work because they're localized, fast, and high value. Now, this is where most guys honestly get stuck. Beginners price based on time or materials, and that is a huge mistake because customers are not paying for your time. They're not paying for your materials. They're paying for convenience. They're paying for speed. They're paying to avoid an insurance claim. They're paying to skip a 3-week wait at a body shop. Your pricing needs to reflect that value, not just your labor hours. I have a good friend named Davey down in Florida. He's quite a character. When I helped him adjust his pricing to match the value that he was delivering, not just what the job cost him, 2 things happened. He started making more money, and he started enjoying his work more because higher prices attract better customers. Remember this, you're not charging for the repair, the customer is paying for convenience. Now, most mobile repair customers typically come from Google. They're typing things like bumper repair near me, scratch repair near me, paint repair near me. Now, when your Google business profile is set up correctly with photos, reviews, and a strong visibility, customers start finding you instead of you having to chase them. I've literally watched students inside of my program set up their business profile the way that I teach it, and they start seeing inbound leads very shortly after going live. It's not magic, it's just the right setup. Now, once your demand starts growing, you've got some options. You can raise prices, you can reduce your schedule, or you can train additional technicians and grow a team. Now, that's what I eventually did, and it's how a solo mobile operator can grow into a bigger company. But here's what I want you to hear. You don't have to do any of that. You can make an excellent living as an owner-operator running a lifestyle business. Work the hours you want, keep every dollar, and answer to no one. Expansion is an option, it is not a requirement. Now, this model works because it combines everything that creates a great business. Low overhead, high ticket small repairs, massive consistent demand, fast turnaround, a customer experience that's genuinely better than the alternative. And most importantly, most people in this industry are not paying attention to this niche. They're out there chasing fleet accounts and dealership volume. Meanwhile, the whole residential market is wide open. Now, if you love working on cars and you want to build a real business with the kind of freedom that most people only talk about, this opportunity might make a lot of sense for you. Just click the link down in the description to work with me directly. And if you want to see what this business actually looks like day to day, you're going to want to watch this next video right here.